What's going on, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video, and I have the AirPods Max, and I'm being tempted to call it AirPods Pro Max for some reason, but right off the bat, I love the fact that you don't need an unboxing knife at all to open this thing, whether it's the outer box or even the actual box itself. It's all the Apple's new style, so I love that. The packaging is nice as well, so this is what you get. So this is in the blue version. It's got like a specific name for the color. But yes, so this is the sky blue, that's it, sky blue version. So this is what I've got here. But this came later because I had it engraved as well. So it just means it comes a bit later. But what's funny though is the fact that when you order this online, when I've ordered it, my Apple Store app says this is gonna get delivered on the 21st, between the 21st and the 28th, but this actually came today, which is what, the 17th? Yeah, so this came today, and way earlier than what they said would happen, and it's still not updated on the App Store either. But anyway, let's just unbox this and see what this is all about. Yeah, so as always, the packaging is awesome, so you can't knock Apple for that. Really nice packaging, and we'll just open this. I know you guys can't see it right there, but yeah, let me just open this up. And straight away, you have the pair of AirPods Max, as you can see there, with a funny looking bra case. I just take off the paper wrapping. Yeah, just take it off. But yeah, so if you're getting this, whatever color you get, it's matching with the case as well, so you can see there, matches that bra case. That's what most people are calling it at the moment. And then underneath there, you get some paperwork, which is usually like quick setup guide, warranty information, stuff that tells you what the buttons are and all that stuff. And then in the box, you also get your USB-C to lightning cable. Again, if you don't have the charging brick for this, you'd have to buy that as extra because it doesn't come in the box with it, so bear that in mind. So that's more money to spend after spending more than £500 on the pair of headphones. Let's put all that to the side so we can examine this a bit closer. So taking it up, one thing as well is this case is nice, it's really nice, but this will attract a lot of fingerprint already. So as you can see there, you can see my finger mark all over it. So this is gonna get a bit messy and maybe horrible over time, but really nice and easy to take out. So just take that open. It detaches, and the case itself is just very basic. There's nothing to it. It's got this nice, really nice material on the inside, nice and soft. Feels very leathery kind of thing. And got a cutout as well, so you can charge the pair of headphones. You can charge them through there as well when it's inside the case. And then take off the cardboards, and we have the pair of headphones itself. So you can see the cup here. Looks really nice. One thing I did hear about what I keep seeing online is people saying this is quite heavy, and to be honest, this aren't that heavy, to be honest. I've got a heavier pair of headphones from Neuraloops, which is very heavy, and you can actually feel it, but this has got weight to it though, don't get me wrong, at all. So on the right ear cup, you have where all the controls are. So you can see there you have the dial there, so this you can use. It's like a little one, like it's very similar to the one on the Apple Watch. If you got one of those, obviously you must have seen that on pictures and stuff like that. But with that, you can see that you can scroll, you can dial it like that. You can also tap it as well. So that's used for play, pause, skipping music, and all that kind of stuff, and voice assistant, so Siri. And then on the bottom of that, next to that, you get another button as well. So you got your power button there as well. And then underneath that, you have the LED indicator light and the lightning port there to charge it up and stuff. This has got 9 microphones, which some of those are used for noise cancellation. So noise cancellation should be really good, and hopefully voice as well. I think they use 1 or 3, something like that, for the voice part for phone calls and stuff. But yeah, that's what you get there, and it's just aluminium, really nice aluminium material. Feels really solid. You can really tell that you've paid £500 for this. That's what I would say. Although if it's worth that much money, it's still questionable. And this is detachable as well, so you can replace them. And if you lose one of these, this will set you back about £70 or something like that. It's very expensive here in the UK to replace each ear cup. And this has nothing to it. There's no electronics on it or anything. It's just a magnet that allows it to attach to that itself. I hope we can get some third-party companies that would actually make this, so you can have some level of customization for that as well. But you can mix and match it and get a different color if you prefer. And then the engraving goes on the left ear cup. So if you're wondering where they engrave it, it's there. So let me focus that in for you. You can see what I've done with mine. So you can see just about there. It's got GadgetsBoy on it with a skull, because I like skulls. But that's where they etch the engraving, so you know where that is. And then this telescoping bit here, really nice. It feels like an actual telescope. Like, my brother's a doctor and I play with the telescope with my mum's as well. Mum's a nurse. And you can see how this is. It just feels really nice and meticulous in terms of the level of detail that's gone into that. And the way you pull that out is actually quite satisfying, and it's just very stiff in the sense that it's just not free move. There's no free movement there. So you can actually set it exactly where you want it to be, which is pretty cool. And then up top, you got that mesh, which is here. I saw a picture online of someone who's got one that's dirty already. But again, if you're worried about that, just get a different color. I would say if you get the white one, or is it silver, it just means that it's just easier to see. It's a lot more visible if that happens. So bear in mind which color to get if you're thinking about getting one of these. But other than that, it folds flat that way, which is nice for collapsing it and putting it back in the case and putting it around your neck as well. But other than that, it doesn't do much more in terms of collapsing. It would have been nice if it goes all the way up as well, but this is quite flexible as well and really strong. So you don't have to worry about breaking this anytime soon. I don't know anyone who wears headphones like that anyway, so that's not something to worry about, but maybe we wear it like this. Cyberpunk version. But that's the design and how it looks in a nutshell. I really like it. It's got a nice weight to it. It's something I can wear for a prolonged period of time because I'm used to this. But it's not going to be for everyone, in the sense that some people don't like heavy weighted headphones, like your Bose headphones, for example, the MX4 from Sony. They're a lot lighter, the plastic material, but with what you get on this is a true Apple product. You can tell why this is £500 plus. To buy. Expensive, not for everyone, that's for sure. Connecting this is very easy as well. So if you have your phone, if you've used the AirPods Pros before, so it's very easy to connect. So as soon as you flick it open out of the case or power it on, this is what happens. It comes up on the screen on your iPhone and you're good to go with setup process. You then press and hold the noise cancelling button up top, which I said was the power button, but ignore me, that's not the power button. There's no power button on this. It's a noise cancelling button, because this has done active noise cancellation and will give you 20 hours of battery life. You've also got adaptive EQ as well, which is meant to adapt to whatever music you're listening to, no matter what genre it is. It's supposed to be able to adapt to it. And then once you've done that, it just tells you through it just walks you through the process of how to use it, what the buttons means and stuff like that. You also have spatial audio as well, which is basically 3D sound. So it basically also moves because it's got gyroscopes and all that sensors in there. It also moves with your head. So if you're listening to, if the music source or audio source is right in front of me and I move like that, it will make sure that I'm still enjoying the music the way I would if I'm actually right there. So I mean, it's pretty cool. It's cool to have technology like that in there, and it's got H1 chips in each ear cup, which is also driving all this technical magic that Apple usually do with this thing in terms of software. But noise cancellation sounds really good right off the bat. I've just tried it on. There's a bike outside which was really loud. I've had to pause recording for a second, but putting this on and pressing that button, you notice a difference straight away. But it'd be nice to test this out and about in the real world to see how actually the active noise cancellation performs. But if the AirPods Pro are anything to go by, I think it's going to be really good, especially on head or overhead. But yeah, it looks really nice. This is what it looks like on head. Yeah, it feels really nice and comfortable, something that I can definitely wear for a long period of time. Really nice and comfortable. I don't know how this is going to handle sweat though, because this is fabric and the foam in there as well. I don't know how that's going to handle the sweat if you get sweaty. But yeah, that's basically in a nutshell. I think I really like it actually. I didn't think I would. At first I was a bit skeptical with all the reviews that I've seen and complaints online about the pricing and stuff. But I think if anyone buys this, they would actually enjoy and be proud of having one of these. It's definitely expensive. It's not something that I think everyone can just go out and get. And if you're looking to get something that's all about sound, if you really care about your sound quality, I think you should still consider like the Sony and Bose and all that stuff out there, and not just jump and get one of these. But hopefully this will last really long. That's time will tell. But until then, that's just an unboxing and a quick look. As always, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you haven't subscribe, hit the bell notification as well so you know every time I upload a new video up on the channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.